No, that's not for you. Thank you. Go to the mirror. Can I see what you got there? That's very cute. I'm trying to get you putting that in there. How come you're putting that in there?
I think she can see.
It's right there on the pillow.
They're like, give me that.
Sticking it back in your neck and holding it there.
Sorry. You're sitting on my face.
That's nice, though. Not sure what that is. Did that hurt, bonking your head there? Oh, yeah. Hands in the air, rock-a-bye your bear.
Can I see it from in there?
Rock-a-bye your bear. Bear's now asleep.
Look at her, she's putting her
She's putting this
tie
hair
in.
tie in her neck. And then she's laying down on
Good day, sir.
Yeah, it's very good. Oh, it's good, isn't it? Very nice.
Hi.
What is so funny?
Okay, silly girl. Got you doing that. Not sure what's going on with that whole thing. Stuck in your overalls? Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.